Hello traders and welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show. I'm going to go through 10 currency pairs and look at setups on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to share my screen now. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to pop it in the chat box. All right, the first currency pair I'm going to look at is Euro USD. I'm already in this trade, so just reviewing, I got in just after that bar underneath. So holding in, if that price action reverses back, then I would look to re-enter as long as it stays under that 1.16. Let's have a look on the weekly. So it's just under that horizontal line. So looking to obviously go short from there. If it pops back into that range that it's been in, then we need to evaluate after that. So at the moment, I'm still holding for short on that one. Next currency pair I'm going to look at is GBP USD. So this one also looking at short. I got in before quite early and got bumped out on that at break even. So if price comes back to that trend line, I'm going to be looking to re-enter again for short. We'll see how that goes. On the weekly, it's still in the downward channel, and on the daily, it's consolidating around this point here. So just still looking for short at this point. Next currency pair I'm going to look at is USD JPY. So that one ran off all the way to the top. So now looking to either short if it goes a bit further or goes sideways and consolidates, then looking for a short. Otherwise, if it comes back to the bottom of that horizontal line, then looking for long after that. So at the moment we're here. Just get that. There we go. So at the top of that little range there, so looking either for a reversal at the top to go short, which seems to be closer to where we are now in terms of time frame. It's only a few bars up if it goes up, and then looking for a reversal then. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is GBP JPY. So this one at the moment, it's in the middle of the range. So I'm either going to wait for the price to get to the top and short from there, or I will wait for the retest down below and then look for long. In terms of the weekly, this is where we are on the weekly. So it's just popped back up into that range there. So I'm looking for the price either at the top or down the bottom. So let's see where that goes. So shorting from the top or taking a long position from the bottom. Next currency pair I will look at is Euro AUD. Euro AUD, I'm looking for short. Looking for the price to come back either to this level here with the couple of touches there, or to the top of the channel. So let's have a look at weekly. On the weekly, that's now coming down. So I'm looking for a pullback to the orange EMA, which is a 10, or to the top of the channel. Let's have a look on daily. So now that's gone down. So looking for a retest basically around this 1.16 59 or at the top of the channel. If the price comes back, then on the 4 hourly, I'm looking for a reversal and then looking to short after the reversal on the 4 hourly time frame. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro JPY. Euro JPY are looking for long now. So on the weekly, it's looking like it's going to go a bit further up. So it might go to that top of that previous high. So let's see what happens there. On the daily, looking for a long, but I need that price to pull back and retest down here on the 4 hourly. So in terms of the 4 hourly, I'm looking for a retest around this area. So if the price falls into this entry zone, then I'm looking for a reversal pattern in the candlesticks. If I get a reversal, then I'm looking to take that trade long. Next currency pair I'm looking at is AUD USD. And AUD USD I'm looking for short. On the weekly chart, we've got that nice channel going downwards. At the moment, the price action is at the top of the channel, so I'm looking for short off the top of the channel. On the daily, we had a little pin bar there, which obviously looks good for a reversal. So now on the 4 hourly, I'm looking for a reversal pattern there. Probably if it goes down here a little bit and then comes back, and then I would look for a short after that. So let's see where that goes. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USD CAD. And on USD CAD, I'm looking for a short. From the weekly, we've had that price come down from the top of the range there at 1.3. So now I'm looking for a slight pullback to the middle or the top of the channel, so I can go for a short setup. In terms of the daily, we had that run down to the past the previous low. So now looking for the pullback, either to the trend line or to the top of the channel. And the 4 hourly setup. So this is my entry area. If the price pulls back into that area, then I'm looking for a reversal. Once I get a reversal, then I'm looking for a short on that trade. And this could be as high as that top of the channel as well. Next currency pair I'm going to look at is Euro GBP. On Euro GBP, I'm looking for a long. So this currency pair I'm looking as a ranging market. It's currently at the bottom, so I'm looking for a reversal and then to go long. Either around this area, if it goes above that little point there, or it might go further down and then the reversal might be around here. So I'm looking for those two key areas. So at the moment where the price is, it's going sideways, which I like, consolidating going sideways. So let's see if it pops up and does a retest just above there, then I'm looking for long. Otherwise, if it goes down, then I'm looking for long. Again, if there is a reversal around this area here. And the last currency pair I'm looking at is GBP CAD. And GBP CAD, I'm looking for long. So at the moment, this is also a ranging market. So it's at the bottom of the channel or bottom of the ranging area. So I'm looking for reversal around here for a long. So at the moment, it's just come down. So it might take a little while for that to set up. Let's see how that goes. I'm looking for the price to go up, possibly pop up above that 1.7, maybe come back and retest, and then looking to enter long around that area there. All right, that's all for the simple Forex setups today. If you have any questions, please pop them in the chat box. If you would like to be part of the simple Forex setup inner circle, I will pop that into the chat now. Pop a link there. You can join for all the trade setups and trade management in terms of trailing stops and exits. So again, sign up there. Otherwise, thank you very much for participating today, and I look forward to see you again next week. It's on Wednesday, 12 p.m. Singapore time. Hope to see you then. Thank you very much. Bye for now.